We spot that this is a para-completion question. The mind map here is to prevent the spread of infections among patients. Visitors to the ICU are screened for fevers. And then we see a contrast trigger here, suggesting that there is still a chance that a patient in the ICU may be exposed to a serious infection by a visitor, since what? We developed a logical train of thought, duly connecting the key points in the argument. Now we need to estimate the logical closure of the argument. We see that visitors are being screened for fevers, but there is still a chance that a patient may get exposed to an infection by a visitor because what? So, from the concluding statement, we are expecting a reason for why a patient in ICU may still get infected. That's our broad expectation from the correct answer choice. Choice A talks about fever being developed even when there isn't a serious infection. In such cases, people without infection may get screened, but this answer choice does not explain that why somebody with infection may still get entry. That only few visitors to the ICU are found to have a fever upon being screened is just an operational detail. This is not in sync with our broad expectation from the correct answer choice. Even if people suffer from fever without realizing it, they would be screened from entering the ICU. Therefore, answer choice D does not meet our broad expectation from the correct answer choice. Even if serious infections have become more common among the general public of late, this does not explain why such visitors would not be screened from visiting the ICU. Incorrect. Choice B suggests that it often takes several hours after an infection has taken hold for a fever to develop. So it is possible that a visitor is infected, but the fever has not yet developed. And such visitors, when screened for fevers, would not be found positive because their fever has not yet developed and they may gain entry to the ICU. And this may expose a patient to a serious infection by a visitor. Therefore, answer choice B does give a valid reason for why a patient in the ICU may still get infected. This answer choice matches our broad expectation. It logically completes the argument while flowing logically from the entire paragraph. B is the correct answer choice.